When you're designing, it's easy to add in texts to your Prezi Design file. So to do that, on the left side, you can see add text is an option. And if you were to click on this, you got various text options right here. Let's say, for example, there's like centered facts, there's like table that you can insert, there's like title, as you can see. So let me just go around and insert out a title. Simply click, and what happens is that it is inserted over here. So you can go around and simply select this out. So let me just select this, double click and select, and type in keep on watching and keep on learning, just like this. So what you can also do with text is you can click and you can resize this out, and you can see that the text resizes according to the box that you have right here. You can also go around and rotate this around by clicking and dragging the round icon right here, and you can click and drag this around to keep it anywhere you want. So you can go around right here and then just type in and replace out the things according to how you want as well. So another thing that you can do is you can go around, add in more text. So you can go around and add in something like this, as you can see right here, and you can see that these are pre-made text in the form of a table. So we're going to talk about the tables in upcoming videos. So over here, you can see that there's like quotes over here as well. So you can go around and insert out quotes just like this. So you can go around and then type this out over here as well, as you can see. So these are quote text right here. So different for types of text is here as well. So with the text, you can work around with the alignment as well. So you can see that this is currently left aligned over here, just like this. So if you were to go down, so once you select the text on the right hand side, you see the text options, as you can see right here. So you can go around, go to the bottom. So once you go around over here, you will be able to see the alignment option. So right now you can see that it is aligned to the left. So you can align it to the center on the right, justify this out so that it actually balances out. So let me just go around over here and keep on learning this like this. So let me just type this in, copy and paste this to make this like a paragraph. And what you can do is you can actually go around. You can see that everything is left aligned right now. You can center align this, you can right align this, justify it, and that actually balances out the text, as you can see over here in the left and right. The end one is left aligned. So similarly, you can see that there's other options, like on the top, there's transparency option. So if you were to actually increase this, what happens is that you got transparency options right here, as you can see, which makes the text transparent as well. And that is how you can add text. You can work around with text alignment and work around with text transparency inside of Prezi Design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.